So I'm always surprised how many people have not heard of this product. This is Grandma's Secret Spot Remover. And I don't know about you, but I have committed the cardinal sin and bled on a quilt, or left an ink pen open and got ink on a quilt, or painted and got teal paint in the carpet in my bedroom. If you've ever gone for hibachi and missed, and then you got the grease stain on your shirt, all of these things.
All
but
purpose.
You have to believe. You have to see it to believe it. Now I know for a fact this is a gel pen, Pilot gel pen. This will not come out. So if you have these in your sewing room, take them out because you don't want it. So I'm just leaving this. I'm going to put a little X right here so that you know that is there. Pencil. This is just a regular blue ink. Just a regular black ink pen. And a friction pen. Okay, the friction pen doesn't want to write on it, so maybe that's the one to have in there. And so I'm going to put a plate under this so I don't get this on my mat. And so basically, so we're doing this, we're going to put this on, because you got to leave it on. And so we're just going to put these on here. Just like so. And we're going to let it set, because I got another thing I'm going to show you before we finish.
So Carla said she loves the product, and she welcomed us back from our trip. So thank you, Carla. We appreciate that.
See, look how that's already starting to come out. So I'm just going to leave that there. I'm going to put a little bit more here. I missed it. So I'm just going to leave that there to soak in. And I've got a little bowl of water right here. And we're going to come back to it in a couple of minutes. So let's go back here and see what our spot remover is doing. So that's all of that. Look, you can see it like seeping through under the... So it does take a little bit of effort. You do have to scrub, but look. So see how it's coming out?
Wow.
So I did a variety of pens and stuff so that you could see. So the first one was pencil, the second one was blue ink, and that does come out. But I know for a fact, because I've tried, well, maybe that one is. The black gel does not come out. But, I mean, you can see how little effort I have used. So if you remember, So
which one didn't come out? That's the friction pen or the
nope,
gel?
That was, I believe, this one. And it will. These pens, this Bic round pen, these take a couple of tries.
Okay.
But it will come out. This one, the blue might be a little bit different because it's coming out a little better. I did it with a black ink pen to test. It never did come all the way out. But the pencil came out, black ink pen, this one came out, pencil came out, this is up here, and this is here, and the friction pen was here. It's not going to remove every single type of ink, but I wanted to show you just how incredible this stuff is. It does take out blood, it does take out grease, even the, like, if you ever got that real dark grease on something, and I mean that's almost permanent. I mean, oil, grease, paint, makeup, grass, clay, inks, blood, baby formula.
That stuff is hard to get out. It can be hard to get out.
Spaghetti sauce, I can vouch for that. Coffee, rust, tar, turmeric, betadine. It is environmentally safe, biodegradable, non-toxic, no chlorine or phosphates. So these are $7.99. A little goes a long way. You saw how much I used on this, and if I put more on this, it would do even more.
We got a lot of viewer comments. They swear by the stuff. Rusty water stain from iron was used on it. Husband's work clothes, wine.
Yeah, so I'm always surprised when somebody's like, "Oh, I never heard of it."
Yeah.
Like,
well, try it out.
Try it out. That's what I wanted to show you. This is awesome, awesome stuff. Worth every dime. I have it at work. I have it at home. It works. And, you know, I have some hibachi that I need to get off of a shirt because I can't catch shrimp. Local, you can come in the store and pick it up. If you are not, then we can send it to you.